Here's a quickie little update of what's going on with the transom. I just added some epoxy in along here. I use the same technique by putting a piece of wood. Of course I had plastic on it so it wouldn't stick. Put a piece of wood like that. Add a block in there. And another piece of wood. Just like this. Clamped her all up. Clamps are still out, everything's still out. But yeah, edges are coming along nice, shaping her in pretty nice. Let me step back a little ways. I don't know if I can zoom in. No, I'm already zoomed in all the way. This one needs a lot more work to go. Build a hole right here. And we're getting there. This time though, I caught the epoxy with the colloidal in it when it was still touch rubbery, so it was much easier to knock it down. So next time, for anybody out there doing work like this with colloidal in it, I recommend knocking it down before it completely hardens. It's pretty darn hard right now, but I caught it right at the right time. Still need a little bit of fill right here. Throw in a little bit of radius right here. This side will be pretty much done and ready for a traveler. Hopefully I got one on eBay I'm bidding on. Hopefully I win that one. It seems like a really nice one. Hopefully I get a decent price. This one still needs a little work on this side. A little work on the end. Filling it in. A few little bubbles here and there. I don't know if you could see this on this camera. And of course it needs a little right here to get that radius nice like this. This one needs a little more too. But after that it's pretty much all touch up, knocking the corners off, and then putting some glass on top. I'm gonna go 3 layers of 6 ounce. I believe I got biaxial fabric. Let me run in here and see. Cleaned up the garage too after that rainstorm. So yeah, here's the fabric we're gonna use. 4-inch wide. I believe that's biaxial. Looks like it goes both ways. Not quite sure. And put 3 layers on top of that. So one in the center, and I'll drape down each side just like this. Then I'll cut like about a 1/2-inch strip off the next layer, put it on top right in the center, and then one more layer. So 6 ounce times 3, that's 18 ounces of layering on here. And then we'll go to the 410. Here's the 410. 410 looks like doo-doo. Let's see if I can open this. Oh, kinda. Really light doo-doo. But yeah, that's 410. Really super easy to sand, unlike the colloidal 406 stuff. But the microlite and the colloidal, it's almost like a West System commercial. Anyway, boat love folks, and I'll get the GoPro out next time so we can see a little more work. That was just a quickie. The only reason I just did a phone video this time is because it's just kind of the same stuff, building it up, rasping and filing and sanding it down and shaping it so it looks fair on the boat, or as fair as I can get it till I go to the 410 and the fiberglass cover. So anyway folks, pretty breezy out today, and boat love again. See ya.